name of Allah Almighty, who knows all the secret for heart. Here is in front of you Ghulam Mustafa from Army Public Schools and College Systems. Today I will start my topic is my village. My village is very important. There are many different things and many different problems in my village. The many poor house and many pollution systems. My village name is Faqir Abad, and because it is many problems in my village. There are poor houses and pollutions and waters. Other problems, because for examples, the very high on the when the rain, because it is a pollution effect on my village, because it is a my village is a major issue. The poor houses, the rain in the fall of the effect in my environment. The rain is a very pollution systems. The poor is made in the house in the circle and the road. This house is a very in the affect in the poor environments and the children's and the evil made on the affections on these perspirations on the not understanding on the peoples on the rich men's, because it is not allowed on the government. This request, here is your last message on the government: pay attention to your studies and respect the love children and care the neighbors. The government has not allowed to the mating on the system of the children's, because my village is founder of my father's Ghulam Qadir Bhai, and he is mating on the many dukans and hotels and the vehicles and not affect on the pollution systems. There are any very high on the faith. And thank you. I'll have a nice day.